We're inside the beautiful 29-degree living. Look how roomy it is. I love those solid wood valances. I mean, they look like a cedar. It is from the name, Cedar Creek. So it has big one-piece, huge valances on the windows. It make the unit super rich, luxury. This is a big deal. 6.10 height in the slide out. So you're not gonna hit your head with the slide out like some other competitors. You have a beautiful bench with the storage underneath it, and they give you the back area. Some of them they don't, but this Cedar Creek they do. We have I call silver door. You can put your silver here close to the dining, and this dining table is expandable. I could extend it. USB plug in case if I'm sitting here with my laptop, I need to plug it in. There's one tin outside right there at the bottom. No lids. This is a neat features for the brand new 25. No lids, so I don't hit my knees. And then coming over here, the furniture of Cedar Creek, it is residential furniture. Look at this beautiful sofa. This sofa came from high-end house, luxury house, like Dubai Blank. I mean, amazing. Dubai Blank. Oh, nice. I have that in Cedar Creek. Even the recliners, it's power recliners. By putting a switch, I could recline this unit facing the beautiful TV. Place for 2 cup waters. But I need you guys to come and look at this particular unit for the finishing, for the quality, for the features, for just the look of high-end crown molding as you see in a whole entire unit in the living area. Huge. This is big. Look, hey, I'm shorty. Look how deep it is. Look how big storage they give you the Cedar Creek on the 29 auto. Yeah, nice finishing. So it looked like it's part of the unit. The nice finishing on the windows. They give you even shelf on the side of the sofa, so I can put my glass of water here. I have a plug in case if I'm sitting playing with my laptop. Sitting on this sofa, I feel not RV sofa, it's a house sofa. And then beautiful. Look how the nice finishing around the TV, solid LCD smart TV facing the tier seating, facing the sofa, so everybody sitting here could sit and enjoy the TV with no problem. A 30-inch Furion fireplace, and the Murphy pantry, that is mean a lot because look how beautiful. Nothing rubbing on the walls, nothing rubbing on the floor like some other brands. Nice shelf with a bar, safety bar, so they don't come off on you. Plug 110 here in case if you have some electronic components. HDMI cable here in case if you have a device you want to hook up to the TV, so you don't have to take the TV, just plug it right there. All Cedar Creek, I love what they do. They give you the TST tire monitoring, come with the Cedar Creek, all of them. Place here for brooms, coats, whatever you want. And then they have a really nice hidden storage right here. So that's give you also more storage. Look how beautiful this pantry. One done. I don't have to do nothing. Now, it's coming to the kitchens. I'm telling you, this kitchen is like those houses in Dubai. Look at this paneling. I love this. I've been watching these episodes and I'm fascinated with the kitchen they have. And guess what? You have it on the Cedar Creek. Look at the nice gold handles, the slab of the woods, solid surface counter. I like the beige with gold and the dark, the pop. And then you have a one-piece sink with, waterfall, cup washing cups, spray faucet, soap dispensers. They give it to you, cutting board. And then over here, all these doors are self-closing. See, dovetail, that's a big deal. That's quality. That's quality in the build. And then they give you this one, which is like, you could put what's called your chemicals, like your Windex, 409, whatever you want to put on it. It's right there. They finish and they give it to you. You slide it in, slide out. Place for trays. And then look how beautiful this kitchen. Residential microwave, 30-inch, not the cheapy one. Cabin on both sides, finished, even at the top. Prepping areas. Look how beautiful that backsplash with this, the silver and the marble look. Residential oven and stove, 3-burner range. I could put a turkey. And then everybody think this is a warmer, but it's not. I call it cookie trays. More place for cooking pan with shelf. Show them the shelf, that's important. You don't have to do nothing, just buy it. And then over here we have a nice trash can. Come with it, place for trash bags. You have the nice cedar, wood, solid wood, cutting board. So the stuff, you scoop it, everything comes in the trash can, so you don't have to make a mess. Especially me, I make a mess when I go to the kitchen. And then they give you the largest RV fridge. It's 4-door, not 3, not 2, it's 4-door. With the ice maker. Another freezer with a tray. And ladies, your pantry, huge. Look how deep it is. All kind. This side, cereals, sugars, flour, grenade, salt, peppers, cooking pans, cereal. I mean, more and more and more. Look, 4 shelf with a lip. They have the lips of things they don't fall out. And then this counter, I call it where you put your bills, or you can put your coffee maker, or you could put your toaster. So in the morning you prep your coffee, you have a place to sit. You could leave the machine right there. When you travel, you just hide it inside, and when you park, pull it and sit it here. You're perfect. So I have a whole entire kitchen, 2 AC unit, ceiling fan, a fantastic fan in my kitchens to take the bad smell if I'm cooking, some spices. It's amazing. It's loaded, high end. Now let's go inside. Ladies, you have a handle here so you could help you get into the bedroom. And then this is this is neat. I never thought they're gonna give it to you. You have your own Cedar Creek calendars, so you could put which month you want, what year, what day. If you have things to do, perfect. Come with this. And then we're coming here to the master bedroom. The master bedroom, it has the second AC right there. And both of them, they're ducted. King size bed. I love the shelf. Like when I go to sleep, I have to put a machine. There's a plug there. If I have my iPad, I'm done with my iPad, I could leave it here, plug it in there. Storage underneath the bed, that's a big deal. Blanket sheet, look how deep, look the finish. 110 on this side, 110 on that side, so no issue, you can sleep it on your side. TV, smart TV facing your king size bed. And ladies, you have your window. And then if you want, ladies, you could use this counter to put all your stuff. I know you can take a lot of stuff with you. And then here's a place you could hide your jewelries, hide your makeup. Just like a nice vanity, drawers, underwear, socks, his and hair. And then we have a full walk-in closet. I could stand physically. I could stand in this closet. High seal, hanging clothes. Come with a Dyson vacuum. Show them. I love they give me shelf, not just open shelf. I could put jeans, towels, whatever you want, both sides. And then if I decide, wait, I want washer dryers and I want the combo, the 2 pieces. Yes, you can. I just have to remove this 2 shelf. They are removable, as you see. Remove cabinet. And this is a picture to give you an idea how it look like when I put the stackable washer and dryer. So there's no issues. So this unit is prepped to install side by side washer and dryers, and the plug's right there. So no issue at all. I could live in this unit if I want to. I could go for a long trip if I want to. High ceiling, no issue in the bedroom. And then you come here. Look how fancy this bathroom. Solid medicine cabinet, porcelain sink, and I step in here. Look how roomy my elbow. Look the height. Solid glass door. I could get it on both sides. This side, that side. No water coming outside. This is fancy shower head. 1, 2, 3 for bodies, head, your feet, rinse. And if you're tired, you have a seat. You could sit here. And ladies, they could sit and do their business. Put their shampoos, chemicals. I put my feet. Clean up and so it has everything you need. on a high-end unit. Plus, guys, you don't have to yell at your wife, say, where's my towels? Because you have a towel cabinet. Fill it up. You just step up, grab the towels, or you don't have to step up, just open it and grab the towels. A nice porcelain toilet. No issue for knees. Plenty space. And more storage. And they come with a hanger for the toilet paper. Some manufacturers don't. Towel hanger right there. And again, you have all the amenities of high-end unit. A digital controller for the AC and the heaters. Solar panel controllers where they're showing you how many voltages I'm getting. All the controller right there. So you have everything high-end, fifth wheel, and this Cedar Creek 29 RL. Price? You guys, you know us. We sell them for less, and no one come close to our price. So come to Best RV, see the brand new 29 Real Living Cedar Creek fifth wheel, high-end, and affordable budget.